let's just move on to Windows Memphis, build 1351. This was compiled on the 13th of December, 1996, and is the earliest leaked build of Windows 98. And as you can see, the setup has been completely overhauled. Window here. Welcome to Memphis setup. Congratulations on your choice of Memphis, the newest and easiest way to do what you want to do with your PC. Continue. Now, if we move this window, you can see the full background here, which has Internet Explorer and Excel, it looks like. And yeah, setup has been entirely overhauled with a sidebar here. And a new background, a Memphis setup. And the text even turns blue for what step you're on. This build doesn't require a product key, which is pretty good. And now it's gonna prepare a directory, and I'll see you guys after setup is done. It looks like setup is already restarted. Whoops. Wow. I forgot to set the date. That's awesome. I forgot this build had a time bomb. Hopefully the time bomb expiring didn't nuke everything. Okay, so that is not a good sign at all. So what we're gonna have to do is probably just boot from Windows 95 boot disk. Okay, so hopefully I can just go into see Windows and then win. Hopefully that should work. This version of Windows does not run on MS-DOS 7 or earlier. Then what does it run on? Registry file was not found. Huh? What? Oh, well then. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to clean install this build. Okay, well. Welcome to Memphis setup. Hopefully this doesn't scream at me because I'm clean installing when there's already a version of Windows installed on here, but I don't know. As you'll notice, at first boot, the background is actually just the Windows logo, which is kind of strange. Message serve 32. This program has performed an illegal operation and will be shut down. That's fun. Now there's absolutely zero disk activity. There's nothing running either. Well, guess I'll just reboot the machine. Why is the 95 boot screen again? Huh? Is it just gonna boot back into Nashville? And what a great time to play the startup sound, because the Shell 32 DLL file cannot start. Well, this is already going amazing. There's nothing running again. Why the 95 boot screen? Is it just gonna go back to first boot setup? Because apparently it cannot run Shell 32. Oh, that's fun. I now cannot use this build. Moral of the story, pre-release software is pre-release software. Don't expect it to work. So, I guess, we're just gonna end the video here, I guess. I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.